Yes! New veg season, rhubarb, yellow courgette, fennel, runner beans, chard, Jersey Royals.
Ooh, it's nice to see fresh faces.
I'm right here, you know.
We're always bringing something new to the table. HelloFresh. Bring back dinner time.
What do you think?
Yeah, it's alright.
We have more family recipes to please the pickiest of eaters. HelloFresh. Bring back dinner time.
You got this.
I know.
Don't overthink it.
I know.
Oh, yes. Go on. Yes.
They do this every week.
Steak now comes as standard, even if you like it rare. HelloFresh. Bring back dinner time.